assuming that is the 100 gram of the compound, which will contain 38.7 gram carbon, because 38.7% carbon, 9.75% of hydrogen, that means 9.75 gram of hydrogen, and rest is oxygen. So the mole of carbon, that means 38.7 gram over molar mass of carbon 12.01 gram per mole. Gram cancel out, that will be 3.22 mole carbon. Now the moles of hydrogen, 9.75 gram over molar mass of hydrogen, that is 1.008 gram per mole. Gram cancel out, so it will be